Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Best instant karma I've ever seen in my life.
A few moments later.
Luckily, I was going pretty slow around the curve for this motorcycle. I'm glad this didn't end up in an accident. This is what you call a confused driver. Another clueless driver on the road. How many red light runners can you count? Some people just can't stay in their lanes, I guess.
Oh shit, you left the brights on from last night. They were on the whole time. Oh, what the f***? Jesus Christ. Idiot, man. Good thing I wore black pants today. I guess saving a few seconds is worth the risk to this guy. My friend blames his rear-end collision on Katy Perry and provided dashcam footage as proof. This idiot comes out from a blind spot without the right-of-way and into moving traffic, followed by some genius comedic timing from Siri.
One eternity later.
People can be really dumb sometimes.
What the f are you doing?
Dad, go slow. Dad. Holy shit.
If you're going to do something stupid, at least check for unmarked cop cars. Watch till the end to see him getting pulled over.
Twelve seconds later.
I need new pants after seeing this one. This happened tonight on my way home from work. Upside down triangle is confusing to Jeeps, right? This van driver doesn't stop for pedestrians in East Somerville.
Really?
This red Mercedes sideswiped me and took off before I could get the license plate. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.